Good morning guys. Dispiras ng Christmas at nandito tayo sa bahay. Wala munang tracking adventure guys kasi wala tayong biyahe. So, I will be tackling again in support kung bakit ko nasabi in previous vlog na mahalaga ang preparation bago mag-apply as a tracker here in Canada guys. But disclaimer lang guys, I'm not a recruiter or in any other means or in any other way connected with any recruiter or agency doing a recruitment job guys. I'm just a plain truck driver trying to at least disseminate information, certain information regarding immigration law in my part as a truck driver for my colleagues as a trucker there in the Philippines and at the same time in the other abroad guys. So in my previous vlog I told you before guys that preparation is the essential key before applying to Canada. Bakit ko nasabi yan guys? Dahil sa new rules ng immigration law. So, the new rules in immigration law has totally removed, guys, yung express entry for transport. So, meaning to say, pag transport, guys, ay truckers. So, tayong mga truck drivers, guys. So, wala na siyang express entry. So, now, we stick to ordinary rules on applying as a truck driver here in Canada, which will be in the part of getting LAMIA guys. So ano itong LAMIA? Itong LAMIA guys ay labor market impact assessment. Ito yung ordinary na nagagamit noon pa para makapasok ka as a foreign truck driver here in Canada. But the problem guys is that even in LAMIA has changes, very strict imposition on the condition of getting LAMIA guys. So ang immigration ng Canada somewhat strict, supervise strictly the imposition on the condition before an employer will be approved or will be allowed to get LAMIA. So, meron na siyang mahigpit na supervision sa conditionalities ng kumpanya para mag-hire ng foreign workers. Siyempre, unang-una lahat sa guys, kailangan niya yung publication at kailangan niya mag-exert ng effort para ipakita sa immigration na he has complied with the publication of four consecutive weeks at wala siyang na-hire na Filipino ay Canadian-based truck driver. And then, yung compliance is very also sensitive because papasok na dun yung sinasabi ko guys na experience na dapat nyong i-prove doon sa immigration. Of course, kung papasok kayo ng agency o recruitment consultancy, i-screen yan ng mga consultancy or agency bago nila ipapasa sa immigration. So, very strict na ngayon ang compliance niyan. Hindi basta-basta makakakuha ng employer ng LAMIA kung yung mga basic requirements ng isang truck driver ay hindi in compliance with the basic requirements under the immigration law guys. So yan ang pagkakaiba ngayon, kaya sinabi ko ang pag prepare sa pag-apply ng Canada ay very essential now because the government, i-wrap up natin guys, the government has removed the express pathway to become a truck driver here in Canada, and the immigration put some strict condition before the employer can get Lamia. Sa hindi lang yung employer guys ang naapektuhan dyan, pati na rin tayong pati rin yung mga aplikante na gustong mag-apply guys. So hindi siya actually compliance. It is actually technique para mabawasan talaga ang aplikante kasi marami talaga yung nagkakaproblema dito sa Canada, nagkakaroon ng problema sa documentation guys. Sa maraming nakakapasok, hindi lang mga Pilipino na kulang-kulang pala yung experience at saka kulang-kulang din yung documentation guys. So in recent event kasi dito sa Canada, maraming na-involve guys na truck driver, foreigners na kagaya ko rin na sa accident. So yan siguro ng isa, hindi lang dito sa Canada at hindi rin pati sa US guys. So yan ang back up yung sinabi kong bakit kailangan ng preparation ng apply dito sa Canada. Very important guys because of the rule of the immigration. They had removed the express entry for truck drivers, at the same time imposed very strict compliance and supervision on getting Lamia. Yun guys ang problema doon ngayon. Pero sa susunod na vlog natin guys, makikita natin dyan, I will be trying to cover paano yung mga kailangan. So yung mga basic lang, yung mga naka-apply na alam na nila kasi meron na silang kausap na license agency or licensed consultancy guys. But I'm just trying to help. Pero ayun lang ang makakaya guys. So i-cover natin and then mag-comment kayo kung ano yung mga katanungan dyan. And then I will be trying to cover it. At yan muna guys. Magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Merry Christmas. Boom, tarat-tarat.